When Elizabeth I died in 1603, the Tudor line ended. The crown passed to James VI of Scotland, who became James I of England, uniting two realms under one monarch for the first time. Learned and ambitious, James left his mark with the King James Bible, but clashed with Parliament over power. His son, Charles I, inherited these tensions. Believing in divine right, he ruled without compromise. Conflict exploded into civil war. Royalists for the king, parliamentarians for liberty, led by Oliver Cromwell. After bitter years of bloodshed, Charles was captured, tried, and executed in 1649, an unthinkable act. England became a republic, Cromwell its stern Lord Protector. Yet his death brought instability. In 1660, the monarchy returned with Charles II, a king of wit, theaters, and courtly splendor. But his brother, James II, reignited fears of Catholic tyranny. In 1688, he was overthrown in the Glorious Revolution. William and Mary took the crown, by Parliament's will. The Stuarts' legacy was clear. Kings would reign, but Parliament would rule.